It's my cat's birthday, so we're gonna make 3 laser cut toys and see if they like any of them. Happy birthday! This is Dio, and he's turning 1 along with his sister Styx. And this is Roxy, and she is turning to the dark side. I am making 3 cat toys. We'll see if they even like any of them. The first one was inspired by this wire toy from the dollar store. With this rather flexible 2-toned 1mm width acrylic, I cut a double spiral out of many painstaking prototypes. So far, I am really hoping they like this one for the sole fact that it was the hardest to make a design for. I used a little bit of hot glue to hold together the top and bottoms of the spiral to the centerpiece. I forgot to put the bell on there because what is a toy without an annoying noise? Luckily, it's quite bendy, so I wiggled it in there with a jump ring. It seems to be holding up, but is it cat-tastic? Next up, I am laser cutting 3 colors of balloons out of felt. I need 2 balloon shapes for each color because we are going to stuff these with catnip. Once they are all cut out, I cut 3 strings from yarn and tie each end. Using that warmed up glue gun, I first glue the balloon string in, then the bottom half of each balloon together, leaving the top half open. With a little spoon, I'm able to fill these with a little bit of my cat's favorite nip. This one also has silver vine in it, which makes them go extra silly. It's really good stuff. I'll actually link this below because I think your cats will love this. You just have to glue the top and then the balloon toy is all done. The balloons could remain separate, but I'm going to glue them all together to make like a big fun toy. So will I find out my cats love these balloons as much as the catnip itself? For the last cat toy, I'm going to laser out little holes on this plain box. The holes are, of course, kitty-shaped and big enough for their little paws to fit through. I just randomly put holes around the box, making sure it would work when it is in box form. I just had to cut out this little bit here so the hole was still open. Now I stick a jingling bell ball because, like I said, if it's not annoying, what's the point? In there, and it turns into a super small version of a similar thing I've seen online. Some tape holds it all in place. And now it's time to see which cat toy the little birthday cats like the most. I will be measuring how much they like it on this cat likability scale. It goes from meh, it's okay, to fun for now. Here is that spiral ball. Will they like it? Styx seems a little interested, but let's put that on the meh meter. Next up is the catnip balloons. Will psychedelic cat herb get higher on the scale? Surprisingly, no fights broke out, but they seem to enjoy it a fair amount. Last is the ball box. Whoa, looks like this one won by a landslide. Have you ever heard of a cat who likes boxes? Oh, wait, no, that makes sense. Well, happy birthday to all the kitties out there. I encourage you to try something like these for your feline friends. Here is a playlist of more fun crafts you can do with your laser.